And I want to show you guys this. We introduced our new room air conditioner, which is now turned on. It's now turned on. And that. There it goes, the new higher air conditioner. It's very cold to replace to the old Daikin. The Daikin is for me. Check the remote. That's my granny's brand new aircon. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. There's the remote here. I'll show you guys how to set the temperature like this. Yeah, that's on 16. This is like at my house it was different, so I hope it's similar. And I hope this air conditioner, and the model is HSU-09GTR03. Yeah, this is the similar remote. I hope we go back to reset. Okay. Yeah, it seems very cold. So okay, I hope this video will be perfect, and I'll see you later. Goodbye for now. Bye.